Okay, today we're going to have a good day and a good time here. We're going to cook breakfast on the Blackstone griddle. It's been put away all season. I broke it out and it was all flaky on the surface in one area, so we're going to cook it on the Traeger smoker. But my grandson Draco, he's like, let's do a video, Grandpa Al, so we're doing a video. So Draco, introduce everybody.
Okay, my name's Draco, his name's Odin, and his name's
Crew. Yeah, Draco, Odin, and Crew.
Yeah.
So here we go. So the Traeger smoker, I have it on 375, and we're gonna cook some bacon first. So we're just gonna put it all on here. So I'll put a few on, and then I'll let you guys throw some on. Hear that sizzle? And we'll just kind of pile it on here and cook the bacon up. And after we get done with that, we're gonna do some French toast. So we'll get
Happy Father's Day!
Oh, it's Father's Day too. Yeah, happy Father's Day. So we'll get this bacon on, and when it gets cooking about halfway, we'll check it at that point. So cool, we'll see you back. It's hard for all three of you to get in there. It was working good, huh?
And once we got all the pieces on there, and there's some more, we can pile it.
Yeah, you can pile them on top of you.
Oh, I got the same. I know, we did. I think I grabbed two. Yep. I don't know how much.
Crew, you just threw it on there. Think we can eat all this bacon?
Yes. I can eat it all if there's any more left over. If there's 7 people in the house, yes.
Oh my head. Okay, let's check the bacon. It's smoking good, it's smelling good.
It worked!
Oh man, it's looking good. So let's just scramble this up a little bit, huh guys?
Yeah.
Let's try to move it around the grill. We'll just let it keep cooking. We'll scramble a little bit on the grill, and we'll check it in a little bit more, so we'll see you back. Okay, here we go. The bacon's done, so let's take it off of here. Here we go, guys. Let's just pull it off and put it right on this plate. Look at how good that cooked up.
Yummy on the grill.
Oh, that's gonna be good, huh?
Yeah.
So,
Yummy.
yeah, it smoked the whole time, that bacon grease. We're gonna do French toast next, so we'll get this bacon off and we'll get ready to do the French toast. So we'll see you back.
We're just cracking some eggs. Got that egg in perfect. And these shells. And pour it in there. How many eggs? 6.
6. Let's do 6.
Carefully cracking the egg. Try cracking an egg. Careful. Oh, that's cool. Be very careful. Crack it in this one. No! That's okay. No, over the cup. Yeah, like that. And over the cup. That's not how you do it. What are you doing? Look, hold on to my hands, Clue. No, you're not going to crack it this a little more. Hold on to my hands. And then you open it up. But I think we got a little bit of shell in there. No, but we did it. Yeah, we did. No, you did.
Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna do the French toast on the barbecue so we can cook breakfast outside. But I just have my Lodge griddle right on top. Spray a little olive oil. And I like this, however you say it. How do you say it, Jenny? Artisanal?
Artisanal bread.
Artisano. So let me grab 3, because it's kind of thick. Look, pretty cool. Do that. Cook up some good French toast. It'll go good with that good bacon we cooked up. So let's get this going, and we'll come back when this is all finished and show you our delicious breakfast. Okay, we're ready to eat. This is turning out great. So look at this French toast. Here you go, Draco. And then we get some butter and some syrup. There's that.
Let me try the bacon.
Crew.
Thank you.
Show
That's
Grandma
good.
your food. Look at that. That was fun cooking breakfast in the outdoors. Bacon on the Traeger smoker. French toast on the barbecue. Doesn't get better than that. Hope you like this video. We'll see you next time.